Another major indicator that I'm looking at as I forecast for 2022 is personal income. Those numbers just came out for the U.S. for 2020. Personal income increased 6.2%, which is exactly double what it was in 2019, and those were pretty good economic times. Personal income increased 4.8% in the state of Colorado and about 6.5% here in Colorado Springs. Sounds like the land of milk and honey, right? Well, again, the devil is in the details. The reason that personal income increased as much as it did is because of the transfer payments. And that's what economists basically call things like the enhanced unemployment and the stimulus checks. In fact, about 72% of the increase in personal income here regionally is due to those increased transfer payments. And I pay attention to that because if that's gone away and we no longer have those transfer payments, that probably means a bit of a slowdown in spending in 2022. And then, of course, tied to that are savings rates, which have come down from the high levels that we saw in 2020 due to those transfer payments. In fact, savings rates are now at about 7.5%, which is exactly what they were pre-pandemic. So if you put those two things together, that to me spells a bit of a slowdown in 2022 in terms of just going out and spending money, and that of course spills over into corporate profits and small business profits. Next week I'll talk about another way that the government can actually mitigate some of these economic shocks, and that's monetary policy. And until then, happy Thanksgiving.